So if you guys didn't know, I'm gonna be putting a J series in my 83 Honda Civic wagon. So now I'm just doing all of the stuff I need to do. So I started making like the first permanent changes to the Civic. You can see I cut off this engine mount over here. Started grinding off this one as much as I can. Took off this one. And now I have it marked out where I'm gonna cut along the frame rail to give me room to put the J series in here. So what I've learned so far is that the duty cycle on this thing is terrible. But I was able to get the driver's side frame rail cut out. It's pretty empty in there. I should be able to put some structure in here, some sort of plate steel maybe, or even maybe some square tubing, something to give it some more rigidity in there, make up for the cuts I made. And then over here, this one will be a bit trickier, I think. I'll have to get the engine and transmission in here just to be sure exactly how much room I have and what I can do, but there should be the cuts I need to make. So here's to hoping. Now I've been using this to kind of hammer in the inside of the frame rail and kind of make it flat so that I can set the square tubing in it real nice. Like it's got a nice channel to sit in. What I'm going to do now though, is since this is uneven, I'm going to cut where it bends into the frame rail and then just kind of bend it up to where we get a nice flat surface on top. So I've got this this frame rail pretty flat, I'd say. You know, it's not perfect, but I don't plan for it to be. So I'll just end up, you know, welding this back together, welding the square tubing to the inside of the frame rail. The only, you know, if you look, it's pretty standard all the way through until right there where it starts getting into that contour. I'll have to probably just carve the tubing to fit that, but I'm not too concerned about it. You can see right there that it's pulling away from the, I guess you could call it like the body or something. It's just glued there. It's not, that's not weld or anything, this seam sealer. So I'll probably some grinding that, or, you know, wire brushing, whatever, as much as I can of that off, and then welding this, you know, around, beating that back to it and welding it. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at now. So I'll go ahead and show you guys this. Pretty happy with how this turned out. I went ahead, you know, not the best welder ever, but I went ahead and just welded these pie cuts. Also welded a plug on this end of my taper. And this is it going in. Right there, it fits pretty good. There's a little bit of a overhang, but it's pretty good because I can attach this metal to it really easily. And then whatever metal I decide to put in the front on it pretty easily. So yeah, with that I'm pretty happy about how that turned out. Now I'll figure out how to roll the car over to the welder because it's nowhere near it. So yeah, that'll be a different day, different problem, but for now, you know, I got this little brace made and, you know, ready to get welded in here whenever we come to that point. So yeah, pretty happy. So today I didn't film much with my phone, but went ahead and got the passenger side frame rail reinforced with this 2x1 square tubing. Got it welded in there, real pretty welds in there on this tin metal. And then got the driver's side transmission reinforcement in there. Now I just gotta start boxing it back in and should be good to go. Now I'm probably gonna wait till I have the mounts in so I can do it just kind of all at once and not have to, you know, cut away the stuff that I box in case I have some clearance issues or something. So Probably won't be another update for like a month or something until the mounts come in, but yeah, it's coming along.